that this is a propane? I have three. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3. That automatically tells me it's prop. And how do I know it's a? Because there's only single bonds. I don't see any double bonds. Okay, so this is propane. Now look at this one. Is it still propane?
Yes.
How do I know?
3 carbons.
I still have 3 carbons. It's still a hydrocarbon. Do I see any other elements other than carbon and hydrogen? No. Okay? So I still see 3 carbons. Okay? I'll skip this for now because you've got no idea what that shape is. And then I move to here. Is it still propane?
Yes.
Why?
3 carbons.
3 carbons. And then this is the empirical formula. You agree that the molecular formula is the same?
Yes.
Why?
3
and 8. 8, does it go into 3?
No.
It doesn't give you a whole number. So this must be an empirical formula. Okay. So how do we go from the full to the condensed? Try to find a link. How does this come from this? What do you think you're seeing? Look at it and try to see if you can infer what you're seeing with this. Aisha, you had your hand up.
So the first, I don't know how to explain it, but because the first part is 1 carbon and 3 hydrogens.
So I circle that.
Yes, and then the other one in the middle, there's 1 carbon and 2 hydrogens.
Good.
And then the last one, 1 carbon and 3 hydrogens are.
Excellent. Okay, so this one is writing it as you say it. When you're saying this part, how do you say it?
CH3.
CH3. I say it's CH3. I don't say C bond to H, bond to H, bond to H. Okay? The way I say it is CH3, which is this part here. Okay? So the condensed formula is basically writing the structural formula without all of the bonds. It's just condensing it. How do you say it? I say CH3. Then what do you see? Then I see CH2, which is this part here. And then what do you see? CH3, which is this part here. So the condensed formula is just writing what you see without the bonds. Does that make sense? Easy? Okay. Skeletal is basically looking at the carbons that you have, and it's kind of like a zigzag shape because we don't know the other shapes. Okay, so how many carbons do you see? 3. So these are the points. This is the first carbon. 1 carbon, 2 carbons, 3 carbons. What is the structure missing? Hydrogen. It doesn't tell me anything about what the other elements is. It's just the skeletal outline of like the backbone. Okay, so think of it as the backbone of something. And the backbone is your carbon chain. Okay?